how's it going, John from Branson Cerakote Laser here. We are going to unbox our Silencer Shop Kiosk. So let's go into it. Somebody's on. Tell them where that's at.
Put it on the inside. Open it up and see if that door opens.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Terrible idea, John. Yep, there it is.
Oh, I'm glad we got that on camera. That was pretty funny. So we got our kiosk in yesterday and we finally got it unboxed and set up. What this kiosk is going to allow us to do is have customers come in. They'll be able to order anything from the Silencer Shop inventory, and this kiosk will allow them to do all of their paperwork, photographs, and fingerprints to go ahead and do their transfer for their suppressors. So we are the only ones here in Branson that have this, and we're really excited to have it. So if you're looking to buy one and you're here local, by all means, just get a hold of us and we'll be able to be more than happy to help you with that process.